Okay, read question number 2. State the relationship between each of the following trigonometric function with its corresponding reference angle. Again, what is reference angle? That is angle in the first quadrant. Okay. Alright, so now this is very important for you to notice. Okay, this one I think I should rewrite it. Okay, I should rewrite it for, okay, I write down here for cos 32, cos 148, cos 212, and cos 328. Zero 0.8480. 0.8480. This one should be negative 0.8480. This one should be negative 0.8480. And then this one should be 0.8480. Okay, do you notice that some of the values here, okay, if you look, for example, if you look at tangent 32 is positive, tangent 148 is negative, tangent 212 is positive, tangent 328 is negative. Similarly, for sin, okay, sin, this is positive, positive, negative, and negative. And then for this one, to represent cos, positive, negative, negative, and positive. Okay, so what you have to remember here is that this is what maybe your teacher mentioned, ASTC. ASTC. ASTC stand for all science teacher crazy. Is it? No, right? Okay, alright. So all sine, tangent, and cosine. All sine, tangent, cosine. But if you want to remember, all science teacher crazy. Don't tell your science teacher, eh? Alright, I'm your maths teacher. I'm not teaching science, okay? So, all science teacher crazy mean in the first quadrant, all angles are positive. Okay? You just press calculator. Whatever angle that you want to try. Try it now. Okay? Try it now. You could press tangent 40, tangent 79, tangent 89.9. Okay? You could use sine, you could use cos. If you found that any angles between that 0 and 90 is negative, let me know. Okay? You will not find it. And then when you go to the second quadrant, any angle between 90 and 180, when you press tangent, whatever, more than 90 but less than 180, you will find the value that you get is negative. Okay? But for sine, it is positive. For cos, it is negative. So that is why S is here. Sine is positive in the first, in the second quadrant. For the third quadrant, you take any angle between 180 and 270, you will find that the value of the angle will be positive for tangent only. Similarly with cos. In the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. So if I tell you, okay, so in order to answer this question, so let me help you a little bit with this question, question number 2. Okay, look at question 2A. Okay, like this. It says, state the relationship between each of the following trigonometric function with its corresponding reference angle. Sine 101. Don't press calculator for sine 101. Okay, so what I want to use based on the figure here, or based on the values here, do you think the value will be positive or negative? Okay, state your response. Text me. Okay, text in the group easier. Is it positive or negative? Or you could also open up the mic. Okay? Okay, anybody? Is it positive or negative? Yes. 101 is positive, Mitesh. Because positive. Okay? Positive. So first we say the symbol. Okay? And then what is the value of its reference angle? That is the angle in the first quadrant. So from the second quadrant will be 180 minus theta. So what is the value that I should write here? Anybody? Maybe I just mentioned, I will call up your name. Rafiq, what is the value I should write here? What? No. I don't want you to press calculator. I want you to state the value that of the reference angle. How to find that? Use 180 because that 101 is an angle in the second quadrant. So it says here, from the second quadrant, in order to find the reference angle will be 180 minus theta. So take calculator, 180 minus 101. So 79. Usually we don't write positive, okay? We don't write that. Okay. So that is the answer for A. Then for B, it will be I would like okay, just call up Sandra, help me with cos 194. First, is it positive or negative? It's negative because it is in the third quadrant. It's negative. And then its reference angle is, what is the value of its reference angle? -14. So the answer is negative 14. Got it? Okay, C. Mitesh, what is the tangent 246 related to its sibling in the first quadrant? First, 246, is it positive or negative? 246 is positive. Okay. And what is the value in the first quadrant? 66. Okay. Alright. Degrees. And D. Okay. D, where I should write D. D. Akmal. Tangent 294.5. Okay, negative. And what? Minus that angle. 65.5. Okay, so let's finish up this thing. Okay, again, Mitesh, E. What is the answer for E? Yeah, 339. The E will be E. This is question number 2. 339.6. Since 339.6 is equivalent Is it positive or negative? It's negative. And what is its sibling in first quadrant? And the one after this will be Rafiq, and then the one after that will be Sandra. This is 0.6, you know. Okay. 0.8. Okay, my bad. Okay. Again, what is the answer? 22 point or 20.2. Oh, okay, 20.2 degrees. Okay. Okay, and F, who's that? Rafiq, right? Okay. Cos 112.3. Yes, Rafiq, is it negative or positive? Negative. How do you know it's negative? Cos. No, it's like this. I don't want you to press calculator pressing 112.3. No, because I want you to look at the quadrant here, and it is in the second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant only sin is positive, so cos is negative. And what is its sibling in the first quadrant? I mean the related angle, the reference angle. So sometimes I refer as sibling. Okay, all these are related. No, 180 minus this. 67.7. It means here, if you press calculator, you cos 112.3, you will get the same answer with my bad here is that I should write sine negative. Here will be cos negative. Okay, every one of them should be with the word tangent or sine or whatsoever, like this one. This is tangent 66. Okay, and then and then F done. G will be Sandra. What's the answer, Sandra? Is it negative or positive for cos 287? Okay, positive. So what is the value? Okay. Because this is 0.5. No. It's 45. Okay. My bad again. Okay. So 287 degrees 45 minutes. So what is the answer for that? It will be positive. So is equal to cos. What is the value? Just now that you calculate. 15 minutes. Okay. Alright. Okay. I think we don't have to finish up everything. Okay.